Tana, I have a question. Okay, you were modeling, right?
Yes.
There were lots of distractions. How did you handle those distractions that you were able to still focus on your education and still going to be a head girl? That means your grades were good.
Oh, my grades were
Right?
fantastic. Yes.
That means your grades were good. So you were also modeling for the topmost brand in Nigeria at that point. How do we manage our giftings and our education and be focused?
Okay, so that's where our parents come in. Do we have anyone here who listens to their moms and their dads? Can I see your hands up? Do you listen to your parents? Do you listen to your older ones, your siblings? Yes? Yes? Good. Please give yourselves a round of applause. There's something you have to understand. Your parents will not lead you astray. They know what's good for you. When they ask you to read, they are not stupid. You need to focus on your education no matter how tough it is. That's where your parents come in. I didn't disobey my parents. I mean, there were times when I probably did things that they did not like, but that was not my attitude or my character. I'm a very respectful person, so I always respected and listened to my parents. And then there's something my parents taught me, which was peer pressure. Okay, Tana, you don't have to do this because everyone is doing it. I was a girl of my own. I was a leader. I was never a follower.